Welcome back to Anytime Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing the Lefant M210 Pro, a budget-friendly robot vacuum created by Lefant. In this video we'll go over the M210's design, features, specs and much more. Starting off with the design, the M210 Pro has a matte black metal case which gives it a stylish appearance. It has a height of around 3 inches, allowing it to easily go under and around different obstacles. The top of the robot vacuum features an on/off button and a liftable cover which reveals the 500ml removable dustbin. At the top there are 2 side brushes which help to sweep dirt and debris into the path of suction and also help cleaning corners and edges. There is a suction opening in the middle but no roller brush. Moving on to the features, the M210 Pro features obstacle avoidance and anti-drop sensors. This is beneficial as you don't have to worry about your robot vacuum bumping into different obstacles, and it can also clean around stairs without them falling down. The M210 also has automatic carpet detection technology, which means that it has the ability to detect carpet, and when it does, it will increase in suction power. The robot vacuum is also able to connect to smart home assistants such as Google Home and Alexa. You can command it to do various different things such as return to the charging dock and change cleaning modes. The M210 can also be controlled through the Lefant app. From the app you are able to start/stop the robot vacuum, set up voice assistant, group the robot vacuum with any other smart devices which you own, install any updates available, check cleaning time, battery percentage and a number of square meters that have been cleaned, and also return the M210 back to its charging dock. Moving on to the different cleaning modes, when set on auto mode, the M210 cleans your room in a random pattern, which means it's likely to miss some spots. In row cleaning mode, the robot vacuum cleans in rows, which ensures that as much as your floors have been covered. When set to spiral mode, also known as spot cleaning, the M210 will clean a specific spot of your floors in a spiral pattern. In wall follow mode, the M210 will clean around the edges of your home, removing any dirt and debris from the corners. The Lefant M210 Pro has a runtime of around 120 minutes on the lowest suction. The runtime decreases the higher the suction power is. It has a charging time of around 3.5 to 4.5 hours, and when it is running low on battery it will automatically go back to its charging dock. The M210 Pro has a maximum suction power of 2000 PA, which is low considering it doesn't have a roller brush. Due to this, its performance in carpet is not great, as it is not able to get the dirt and debris from deep within the fibres. Its increase in suction power on carpet also doesn't help much. Despite its poor performance on carpet, on hardwood floors it picks up dirt and debris with ease. In conclusion, the Lefant M210 Pro is a good option for people that want a cheap robot vacuum with some good features. It may not be the best option for people that have a large amount of carpet in their home, as it seems to excel on hardwood floors. The anti-drop and obstacle avoidance technology is a great addition as it is not seen in some more expensive robot vacuums.